friends. Everyone, I am honored to stand before you today as a Secretary of IFA Galaxy to express our heartfelt gratitude. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our esteemed guests, delegates, speakers, and sponsors for taking the time to join us and share their valuable insights. Your presence has enriched and our understanding of the mutual fund industry, and we are grateful for your contribution. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to our organizing team, volunteers, and event managers. I extend my sincere appreciation for your tireless efforts in making this event a success. Your dedication and hard work have not gone unnoticed. We are also thankful to our participants who have traveled from far and wide to be with us today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.